If you're getting blocked when you're trying to watch videos on YouTube that have been tagged as adult or age inappropriate, then there's a couple things that you can check to get it to go away. A couple of years ago, a safety act was passed that cracked down on what kids see on the internet. YouTube was impacted by it and had to enforce a restricted mode. So if your account was made and you put a year as your birthday that shows under 18 years old, then you automatically get restricted. We'll go ahead though and turn this off now. This will be the same on an iPhone or Android, so it doesn't matter which phone you're using. With the YouTube app open, tap your profile picture on the top right. Inside of this menu, select Settings, and then the next, choose General. Inside of the General settings, you'll see the Restricted Mode option. Make sure that this setting is turned off. If it's on, that's probably the reason that you couldn't see or watch any content tagged inappropriate for under 18. Now, if that doesn't work, or if it gives you an issue, there is another thing that you can try by changing your birth date to make sure that you're over 18. To do that, close the settings menu and then tap your profile icon again. This time, choose Manage Google Account underneath your name. It'll then open up a pop-up and take you to your Google account page. Tap the Personal Info tab at the top and then choose your birthday on the next screen. Inside of the birthday page, just make sure that your birthday is set to show that you're actually over 18 years old. When you're done, hit save and then head back to the YouTube app. Recently, Google though has been enforcing this even harder, and you may be required to upload proof of your age. I've never had an issue, but some users have said they have. If you're still having an issue though, and you haven't been asked to submit proof, some people have said that closing or even logging out of your Google or YouTube account and then back in has fixed the issue. So you can try that and see if it helps you out too. And that's how you remove the age restriction on your YouTube app.